Okay, here's the connector for the beam. So what I did is already make a hole, and it's every one of them are the same. So when you actually, so you don't need to make a hole. The easy way to put them together like this, okay? So but you do it one at a time. This one first, and then after that this one, okay? I'll show you how to do it. First, what you need is to make a line. The easy way to do that is to get this the best measurement you can use. This one, okay? So what you do is go like that, and go like this, and that way it's straight, okay? So you line up on this side, this one here, line up on this side. So you line up this. Now what you do is need a grip, okay? So you need to grip underneath. You can't do this one here because you need to make a drill. You need to drill it up. So I'm gonna get closer. Okay, the closer I can get. Just tidying up. Just want to make sure this one is lined up. So you check the line here, which is you did, and you just make that. As you can see, it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, doesn't go anywhere. Okay, don't look at this one.
Say
look at this. I'm gonna tie it up. This one tight, really tight. Now what I'll do, I'm gonna make a hole in here. As you can see, I already have a hole. See? Already have a hole. So I'm gonna make this one here and this one. Actually that side, so this one and this one. Okay? Why am I making a hole? Because I'm going to put a screw. See, it's moving. So it's moving. You need a hammer. So you line up. Line up again. There you go. There you go. This one is not tight properly. There you go. Tight now. So I'm making a hole in it. You see, still line up, yeah? Still line up. Okay, look. See? Still line up, yeah? Okay. There you go. So now you have to clean it. Okay, and then now we're going to put a screw, one screw at a time. Okay, you do it, you gotta press this one here so it doesn't move, and this one here. So you put your knee in here, as you can see. I got this one here, put that in here and push here. Okay, then drill it. That's the way. Okay. Yeah, tight. That's it. It's tight. Now next one, we're gonna do the other one. See, we've done this side. Okay, like that. We've done this side. Now we're gonna do this one. Same thing. We're gonna make a hole again. Okay, done that. Now clean it up. Screw. And put this one there. Knees. There you go. See? All good. Done. Now, clean it up. Now we're gonna move this one here. We're gonna lose this one and put a bit more on the left side. And then tight it. Tight. Okay, once you tie this one on this side, remember we're gonna make a hole here. Okay, now the first two need to make a hole. This one you don't need it because this one here, it's automatic. It's doing it by itself. It's drilling it by itself. Okay, again, put this one in your knees. It's done. Now you can remove this. You can remove that. Forget this one. Okay. And check again. All good. Okay. All good. Yeah. So now we're gonna put the other one in here, because this one no more battery, so I'm just gonna replace it. I'm gonna replace it for this one. It's a stronger one. DeWalt. It's a DeWalt. See? So we're just gonna do that. You don't need this one, you don't need that, because it's already been tied, both, three of them. You know? Okay, again. Now this time, we're going to make a hole now here. Okay? This time we're gonna make a hole. We're gonna use 10 mil, okay? Because what we have is this one. This bolt will be connected together here, okay? And the other side, this one connected here together, okay? See, it has to be the same size. See? It has to be the same size. Okay? Now, on the hole. So easy. Okay, remove that thing. I'll show you what we have here. Okay, look, there you go. There you go. That's what we're doing now. Okay, so make this one here first, second, third, fourth. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make a hole, okay, and so we're gonna do the other one underneath. We're gonna flip it over, this one. Okay, now we're gonna flip it over. Flip it over, flip it over. Okay, at first we need to make a measurement. Okay, this one, as you can see, look, there is a, look at that, see both sides. Okay, so when you do it, easy, see, look, easy. Yeah, so what I'll do, I'm just gonna do a line on it. There you go. And that one, because this one here is stopping on this side. See? There you go. There you go. That's done. Now you're gonna go on the other side. Let's go on the other side, okay? Flip it and do the other side, okay? Now where is it? There you go. There you go. There you go. Now, so you can see it. In order to see it, use this pen, okay? And it's a 10, size 10. The size of this one is 10. It's a 100 ml, 100 millimeter. So you line up for 100 millimeter. There you go. That's 100 millimeter. Here, see? This one is 100 millimeter. There, that one. It's 10 centimeter, but in Australia we use millimeter. It's 100 millimeter. Okay, so there you go. Now next one, we're going to put it. We have. I'm going to use this one, which is haven't had a hole yet. So I'm just gonna do that. You can see it's still line up. So again, I'm going to use this and use this. Okay. Then just by touching your finger here, this side, see? You'll know it's in the middle. So now we're going to put this one, the grip. Put the grip. Okay. And put a grip. Put here in the middle, because you won't be able to use this one underneath. It has to be the other side. Okay, so now we're going to tighten it. Okay, now it's still straight. See, it's line up, okay, it's line up here. Yeah, so now I'm gonna tie this one really tight. It will hold this one here. Okay, what I'll do, I'm going to make a hole now again. Same thing the way we did. Now I won't be able to do it on this side, so I'm going to do it here and here. See? Something is holding it, something is still holding there. Now you can do the other side as well. Okay, now it's done. What we need to do is to clean it. Clean the one there. You don't want to catch it, that's fine. You just throw it out somewhere. Okay, now we're going to put this one. Now see, I'll put my knee again here. I'm holding this side, okay? So down there. Okay. Now sometimes it moves. So what you do, get a hammer and look which one is moving, this side. You see there's a line here, so you know. Okay, so now we're going to do the other one. Oh, good. Now we're going to move a little bit. Okay, that's good. Now we don't need this one. All we need is to move this one here. Going to move this one on this side. Okay. Okay. There you go. You see it? There you go. So you can see properly. Okay. Make this one hole. See, I don't need to make a hole because it's already holding it. Okay. Now we need this one. Okay. This one like that. Destroy that. Destroy it somewhere. Now all we need to do is to remove this. Once you remove that, and another one, number 4. It's done. Now all you have to do, the other side already have a hole in it. Now you can make a hole here this one as well. Okay. Now let's make a hole. Okay. It's a lot, so we need to clean it. Now another one again. Hey, all we need to do is to get this two washers. So you get the bolts, the two washers, which is will go here, go underneath, because we're going on that side, so we do it here. Hang on a second. Hang on. You gotta flip it. Let's flip it, because we need to do it on this side. Okay, flip it around. Gotta put that one here. Put that hole. There you go. Put the washer and the nut. Okay, now the other one too. We're gonna put the other two. Number 2. Bolt here. And the nut. Washer and the nut. Okay. That's tight. Now we're going to tighten it. When you tighten it, you're gonna go flip it. The easiest way to do it is to flip it. Okay? And you gotta flip it, and you start doing it. That's tight. Now the other one. Yeah. Not too tight, otherwise squishing this one. Okay, that's how you do it. So every single one of them, this one here and that side. So I'll show you. See, look how you do it. There you go. Now you go on the other side. There you go. See? Perfect. See? As long as when you make a hole in it, as long as when you make a hole this one, they have to be the same. Okay, you have to make a pattern to make this happen. Okay? All right? Okay. You don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?